Initially, T-Mobile's 5G network had issues causing phones to automatically switch to LTE or 4G. This happened due to network configurations prioritizing LTE for better reliability and battery life. Early 5G implementations used dynamic spectrum sharing, allowing 4G and 5G to coexist on the same frequencies. However, bugs in the system caused devices to switch to LTE to prevent dropped calls or data interruptions, especially when 5G signals were weak or there were software glitches. T-Mobile addressed this problem with the 5G Stability Initiative, a comprehensive fix involving software updates and network optimizations. These updates, rolled out to devices like Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel phones and iPhones via iOS updates, improved 5G signal strength and reduced handover failures. The fix prioritized 5G when signal strength was adequate, adjusting thresholds to minimize unnecessary switches. The fix proved to be highly effective. By 2024, it was rolled out to over 95% of T-Mobile's subscribers. Independent tests in 2025 showed T-Mobile's 5G availability at 88% nationwide, up from 75% in 2023, with improved speeds. For example, iPhone users saw a 40% reduction in LTE switch occurrences, and Samsung Galaxy users experienced improved 5G reliability in cities like Los Angeles. As of March 2026, T-Mobile has largely resolved the automatic switching issue. The 5G network now maintains connections more reliably, with switches only occurring in low-coverage areas or during high-traffic events. T-Mobile's 5G median download speed is around 150 Mbps. While occasional complaints persist in rural areas or during network congestion, ongoing refinements are planned, including AI-driven network management by late 2026 to further minimize switches. Understanding mobile network handovers and dynamic spectrum sharing is crucial. Handovers are transitions between network generations, like from 5G to LTE or 4G, based on factors such as signal quality, battery optimization, and network policies. Dynamic spectrum sharing allows 4G and 5G networks to coexist on the same frequencies, which is efficient but initially caused issues with automatic switching to LTE. The fix involved optimizing the radio resource control layer to balance performance and efficiency, reducing unwanted handovers. While T-Mobile's automatic fix largely resolved the 5G switching issue, users can still make manual adjustments to optimize connectivity in specific situations. Devices like iPhones and Androids have built-in algorithms that can force LTE for power saving or stability. For example, iPhones offer 5G mode settings that allow users to choose between allowing more data on 5G, standard mode, or low data mode. Enabling 5G only mode in settings might help in areas with good 5G coverage. Android devices, including those on T-Mobile, allow setting the preferred network type to 5G for optimal performance. However, T-Mobile's automatic fix generally ensures seamless operation without manual intervention. Experts praise T-Mobile's proactive approach to resolving the switching issue. Former T-Mobile CTO John Donovan stated that the automatic switching fix was a game changer, proving software can unlock 5G's potential without new hardware. Analysts from Gartner estimate that such fixes could boost 5G adoption by 25% globally by 2027. This is reflected in projections showing North America leading with 63% adoption by 2025. Statistics from Ookla and OpenSignal underscore T-Mobile's leadership in 5G optimization and availability in the U.S. Ookla reports 5G median download speeds of 152 Mbps and 88% availability. J.D. Power scores T-Mobile at 820 out of 1,000 for reliability, up 50 points from 2023. OpenSignal confirms T-Mobile has the best 5G availability in the U.S. at 88%, with only 12% of time spent on LTE involuntarily. Looking ahead, T-Mobile aims for 100% 5G coverage by 2030, with 6G on the horizon. The automatic switching fix has influenced industry standards, pushing for unified 5G/4G management. Future trends include edge computing to reduce network strain and potentially eliminate manual interventions. While challenges like spectrum auctions and device compatibility may cause some delays, T-Mobile is continually working to improve network stability.